Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. I got a shop tip for you. If you're starting out and you want to do freehand sharpening, you don't have a guide or you don't want to buy a guide, make yourself some wedges. These are what I call training wedges. I have a 25 and I have a 30. So how they're used is you have your stone or your sandpaper or whatever, you take your blade, you lay it on the wedge, and you bring it down until it's in contact with the stone, and then you use that as a guide to learn where to hold it. Okay, and you come back to it and you know where to hold it. 30 degree, you can feel it's a little bit higher. So that's a quick shop tip. If you're learning how to hone and you want to do it freehand, make yourself some training wheels. 25 degree, 30 degree. You want to make a 35? Make a 35. That's about it. Head out to your shop. Sharpen your blades. Walter out.